last day at sea. We'll be back at the port tomorrow, like 7 a.m. So it's been a good trip. It's yeah, it's been a good trip. Let me see if I can zoom in on the water. Yesterday after dinner we went to, where did we go? Oh, Family Feud. And then we went to the casino, and I'm ashamed to say how late I was there. But yeah, so I didn't get back home till like 4 from the casino, close to 4. Didn't win no money, spent more, too much. So I slept in today. I slept in until like 1. Well, I kept waking up, but I like was officially awake and out of the bed like 1 something. But right now it's like 3 o'clock. Dinner's not till 7. So I think I'm gonna order some room service and see how that goes. So this is like the little menu. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I might get like a sandwich or something. But also, there's this bar that I wanted to try one of their beers at that I heard good things about. But every time I go there, it's crowded. So it's this little place called Thirsty Frog, and they have a Thirsty Frog Caribbean wheat beer. I might try that. It's like a craft beer. I at least wanted to try something that was like not domestic or imported, but something from like one of the 2 places here. I don't know how I feel about the other 2 places, but maybe I'll try one of those later tonight. But I just wanted to try new things here. I've tried a lot of new drinks. You can't order drinks on room service, but we'll accept the beers. But I've tried some really good drinks here. Yeah, I'm not really big. Like, I really don't buy liquor for my house. I more so buy wine, so I'm more than fine with drinking cocktails, but I don't know how to make my own drinks. Plus, I'm just not a big liquor person. Like, I'll go somewhere and get a cocktail because they're usually watered down. But yeah, I'm going to order that and we'll see how I like it. It's the Thirsty Frog. Oops. Actually, on the day, the first vlog y'all saw, let's see, when we were leaving the port, and that pink orange drink y'all saw me with, probably more orange, that was from that bar, and it was just like a rum and punch, because like I say, that bar was so busy, and the bartender was like, what do you recommend that's fruity? And then he said that, and I was like, okay, because it was like so busy. But I'm gonna try one of these. I'll try this and I'll let y'all know. I don't know what I'm gonna get from room service, but I'll show you that. Probably just something simple, because dinner's in 4 hours, and that dinner menu looks really good for tonight, so I don't want to eat too much. But yeah. So I just ended up ordering some curly fries. I was gonna get like a sandwich or something, but dinner's not too far away, and they have a good menu tonight. So, but this is the Caribbean wheat ale I was telling you about from Thirsty Frog. I'm kind of glad it came in a can. But yeah, whenever I go by the bar, it's just always too busy. So, and someone on the cruise ship mentioned trying this one. So I'm gonna try and see how I like it.
They gotta start. They gotta clean up, get everything ready for Sunday. They get 3 months off. They're contractors. When do you guys be sailing back out? Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
So
No idea. My dad's about to try frog legs. You ready?
oh, I'm ready. I love it.
Is that the legs from the same frog?
Hold it up. No, ma'am. Yeah. Get ready. What's it taste like?
It's like frog. Oh, you get the refrigerator.
Baked Alaska. Pretty good. Alright, so it is. What time is it? I don't know what time it is, but it's late at night. It's like 9 something. But our last night on the cruise ship. The horizon is beautiful. The sun is already set. But that over there is the same ship we've been in coots with. But yeah, so I'm gonna miss this. But it's been a good trip. This is our last night on the cruise, and everybody's out here right now because nobody can sleep. But look at this, these waves are intense and the boat is like rocking like crazy. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. Good night, 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 night. All right, so final thoughts on the room itself, and how I liked it these past couple days. Obviously, I love the balcony. It's dark outside right now. This is how dark it gets at night. I mean, you can't see nothing out there. But the balcony's been great. I wish it was glass, like the balcony where we were staying, but because we're at the front of the boat, we can't have glass because we feel, I guess, all the wind pressure going towards, like, just going forward because we're at the front. So it can't be like glass because it would obviously break. So I didn't like that part, but it's such a nice view in itself. Let's see. The fridge was fine. This is kind of where I got ready. Because the bathroom was just too small, so I did my makeup out here. The bed was comfortable, however, I'm not used to a twin bed, so that was hard as far as like making sure I don't fall out the bed. Sorry, I got interrupted. They're coming to pick up our luggage. But yeah, the twin bed was comfortable. However, I'm not used to sleeping in a twin bed, so there'd be times where I'd roll too far to one side or too far to the other side, and there was a time where I actually did fall in between there because my dad knocked on my door, startled me out of my sleep, and I just like rolled, and then I ended up between there. But so far the room was good. TV, only thing with the TV was that it only had like 5 channels, and then it had like cruise ship channel, like 5 cruise ship channels. So it had like Food Network and HGTV, which was fine with me because I like those channels. And then it had like Cartoon Network and Nickelodeon, and then Discover Channel and Travel Channel. The Discover Channel, I think, only played like ghost stuff, and I don't watch that kind of stuff. And then the Travel Channel just played travel stuff. Otherwise, I liked the room. The lighting was great. Only thing I didn't like was that my card or my sister's card has to be in here in order for us to use the lights in the room. Closet was great, very spacious, and extra hangers. And they actually have a rack for you to put like your beauty products. I put my shoes down in here. That rolls out as well. And then I hung up some stuff. So the closet was great. Now the bathroom. So one thing I did in the bathroom was brush my teeth, wash my face, and shower because it was so small. Now the shower was a good size. It was pretty decent, still a little stuffed. It had great water pressure, great temperature. It actually can get really, 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 really hot. Otherwise, let's see, the toilet was fine, but it was just like really loud. But it's like a short, loud noise. But everything else was fine. The bathroom is just space. So that's the room. It's just a little cramped at night. You can sometimes, like, we went through a thunderstorm the last 2 nights, so we were really rocking on this boat. It was kind of soothing for me though, but I've heard other people say that they just did not like it and they couldn't sleep. Right next in my bed, so that's the light to give us this little extra light here. And then on our beds we had a USB port, so that's where I was able to charge my phone. And then if you pull this out, you get a little night light. So if you wanted to keep it down, you keep it down if you were reading, or if you needed it to be up towards you, you could do that as well. So wherever you put it, it stays. So if you need to adjust it to read or something. So every day they came and gave us new linens, and they made our beds. We had plenty of drawer space in those drawers. I had a little footstool to help me get ready. I'm about to fill out my luggage tag because they're coming to get our luggage actually now. So I'm gonna go do that and get this bag out of here. So our last night on the cruise, and we're going through a storm. It's actually pretty bad. I went to stand up to go to the other side of the room and I fell because the boat was rocking that hard. And I'm kind of not okay with that. Oh my god. I just need the storm to end because this is like our closets keep opening and closing, and like we're moving quite a bit, and I'm just like not with it.